Bandar Georgetown, bandar bersejarah, nilai unggul sejagat dipelihara. Tapak warisan, tempat mencurah, selakan potensi generasi muda.
Thank you for making Georgetown great and rich in culture, for practicing the culture inherited from the past, and being proud of your identity by sharing it with others and the next generation. You are all the living culture that have shaped our outstanding universal values. Your continued commitment and participation have been essential towards the peaceful sustainability of Georgetown multicultural diversity. Such strong participation has once more showed the potential and power of Georgetown as the region's best cultural and heritage hub.